My name is Simone Liggins, and welcome to Communing with Shadows. It is presented by Collective.aporia, which is a group of wordy and witchy individuals who stand and fight for the safe space and place of the word. And this space invites you to write a way to make peace with the stronger stranger within. We will appreciate every word that it takes to understand individual transformations of dark nights through the soul. What has been dismissed as too sensitive or unconventional by mainstream standards of what always has to shine will be embraced here. And my hope for this time together will be that we will offer an option of healing and freedom from the things that have harmed us, and hopefully inspire more compassion for ourselves and others. Sessions start in May, and enrollment is at collective.aporia.com, and I hope to see you there.